Hi, and welcome to my portfolio in email marketing. In this video, I'll be showing to you the three email marketing projects that I have made using Flowdesk. So, starting with the email marketing email, I have designed two emails. One, which is actually just a draft, but I can also use as a welcome email when people subscribe to me. So, uh, in all of my emails, this is my logo on the top. It's Growth Assist is my business name for my freelancing business. And then here is just a body of text that just introduces the people that are part of my email list and what they will um, receive when they subscribe to me. So the type of emails that and the insights, the tips, and all other resources that they will be receiving in their email when they subscribe to me. And then learn more in this button will direct to them to my freelancing website. So going back, this email I, is what I prefer to use when as my welcome email when people subscribe and are part of my uh, mailing list. So this is actually a much more better email, and at least it's much more visual appealing. And once again, a body content that introduces uh, the types of content, tips, insights, resources that people will receive in their email. So, this is a list of the services that I do as a virtual assistant, and they can also explore uh, my services as well in when they go to my freelancing website. Next, I'll be showing to you the segment or the email marketing segment. So to create an email marketing segment, you have to go to audience tab, then segments, and then create new segment. So yeah. And then here, in this email segment, this will contain your subscribers that subscribe to you. And so you can add a subscriber so that it's part of the segment. And then here, it also lists down your active subscribers and also your customers as well. For you to have subscribers, you should create a form so that when people fill up the form, they will be subscribed to you and also be part of your mailing list. So here's the form that I have made. So in this form, people can download a free guide when they fill up the form, and also um, they'll be automatically part of my mailing list. And once they're part of my mailing list, they will be able to receive the content, the tips, and all other resources that I'll be giving to them in their email. And then lastly, the email marketing workflow. Here, it's in this workflow, it's like an automatic flow of how when people subscribe to you or become part of your segment, they will automatically receive a welcome email, and then uh, you can program like a delay if how like the period of time where the next email that they will receive will be sent to them. So this is the second email, and then 3 days after that, they'll receive the third email, and then that's like the end of the workflow. So I'll show to you the welcome email that I made. So it's basically a different layout this time, but it also talks about and introduces types of content that they will be receiving in their email and the insights. Then, um, second email. So this is just um, informational email that talks about 3 ways where, as a virtual assistant, can help business owner or a client. So through administrative support, digital marketing, business operations. And then here, like, um, I market myself so that you can send a reply to me if you want to avail of my services. And lastly, the third email, which is just a follow up email for subscribers to know that if they want to avail of my services, they can just book a free consultation and connect with me. So that's all for my email marketing portfolio. Thank you for watching.